go, folks. I'm going to do a tool review of all the junk I picked up this past week. No more individual videos. I'm just going to make a big, long-winded, over-yappy video for all you folks who want to sit and listen and look at some crap that I bought. So stay tuned and watch me drink some water. All right, first of all, let's down the camera here. There we go. Oh, look, you see one right here. See that right here? This is one of them. Crap bag. Is this camera too far away? Maybe. I don't know. Let's go like this. Let's play with the camera angle. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Is that better? Luxies. I've known these. This is a. I don't know if you can see that. It's a Vise, as you can handle. It's made in, I don't know if you can see that right there. It says Taiwan. I think I paid like $3 for it. Basically, it's a bolt with jaws. It's not very pretty. It says Globemaster, North Dakota ND, Globemaster or something ND. Right on the back here. I don't know if you can see the globe. It says right there. Picked this up, I don't know, like I said, I think it was like $3. I'll make a new handle for it. Mostly I'm just going to throw it on the trophy shelf with all the other junky Vise things. It's pretty cool. It's got a little patina on it with some blue. So I don't know if it was originally blue or originally hammer tone yuck with rust. So I don't know where the hell you'd screw a little Vise like this to a counter. But it's not really good for this thing because I might have to tap and screw it in there. But other than that, it's a neat little Vise. It was cheap. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, I have a cold. And I'm not editing out the cold. So anyway, I got this. Put this over here. Move this out of the way. Nobody wants to see bags of screws. But this is one I got. I found this one too. This little sucker. It has no markings whatsoever. At least I can't find any. There's a little mark right on the side here. See the tiny little Vise. I think I have like 3 of these already. Most of the ones I find are all missing the little cup here, which isn't that hard to replace. You can make your own, just peen in there. It says 8, I think, on there. Oh, made in USA. There's a little thing right here, 20 it says. There's a made in USA thing right here. Sorry. I hate having a cold. Jesus. And I don't think it says anything else anywhere. It looks like these things remind me of bent railway tracks. That's what it reminds me of. Like somebody took a railway track and bent it and then hammered it into the shape, even though it's cast. They're always pretty cool. I'm sure this is worth about as much as nothing. Oh yeah, plus it's cracked. See, this one's busted on the side here. There's no real guide on it, but you know what? For a couple of pennies, if I find one that this part's broken, I'll just switch it out. But it's pretty cool. It's good for the little trophy shelf. Or I'll take this off and use this part, cut it up and do something with it. So that's my next little, like, I think this was like $3 also. I apologize for the coughing. Man. I think I need to drink some battery acid or something. You ever get an itch in your throat and it just doesn't want to go away? That's what I got right now. Itchy, witchy. So I got this one. I also picked up, I've been picking up a lot of these lately. Vise and Co. Vise. CADE something, I don't know. There's some writing right on here somewhere. I can't read it. There it says B and C, 10-inch. This time I got one that wasn't mangled and shedangled. This one opens, see? It actually is in pretty good shape other than there's a Vise thing on here stamped in it. It says December something, whatever. This one opens. See? This one opens all the way. It's not fully rusted. That's some black paint. Why did I start collecting these? I haven't the slightest clue. I think I just keep seeing them here cheap. Will I eventually paint them all? Probably. Maybe I'll hydro dip them all camouflage. Like, I don't even know how to hydro dip stuff, but I always watch those videos like, oh, great, you're hydro dipping. Okay. I also found this one too. I think these were like $3 each. This one is a little, same one. Yeah, 10-inch Bemis and Calco. So yeah, it is a same. This one works kind of, sort of. Yeah, this one kind of works. Kind of. Yeah, it goes. This one's yeah, it's a standard. See, this one comes in 10 millimeter. See, 10 millimeter only stays that. This is the it gets stuck at whatever size you want it. So that one's stuck right there. If I remember correctly, these were both under $10. So here's a good look at them. That one, like I said, this one's a little nicer. Has some more black patina on there. I'm sure if I throw this one in Evaporust for a month and destroy half the patina on it, it will probably work better. Looks like there's just crud in it. Looks like it's it goes about 1/8 of an inch back and forth. It goes this way, and it goes this way. And if I try to force it, it goes a little more and it gets stuck. I don't know why they don't make these anymore. I mean, they are pretty cool. This one is, this one's got a weird little, what did it jam a nail in there? I don't know. Stuff they do with things like this. Okay, I'll put this right here. I also picked up a crescent wrench. Maybe you can read that. Crescent tool. This one works. Jamestown, New York. I honestly think these older ones have 1,000 times more precision than the newer ones, because all my newer crescent wrenches I pay like 50 cents for. I just want to throw them in the garbage or turn them into an art project, because all the Chinese ones seem to suck. So yeah, just a standard 8-inch crescent wrench for under $1. Made by Crescent Tool Co., Jamestown, New York. Why did I start collecting crescent wrenches? Because I actually used them. I ended up leaving them all over the place, so why not? I found a $3 vice grip. I couldn't resist. It's not a vintage vice grip, but $3 for a needle nose vice grip. It's not bad. $3. And then you could go like this and use the chopsticks. Yeah. Oopsies. So anyway, got that. It's a 6 LN. I think I have 5 or 6 of these. The pièce de résistance is this one right here. It was a little dark when I picked this up. I didn't realize this. I didn't look at it real good. But this one has, I don't know what they put it in. Like, did they leave it in battery acid for a couple of months? Because it's fused together. It is rusty. Got some crud in there. It looks crunchy, but you know what? It's a project. I should make a door handle out of this thing. Put on a door, put a bolt through here and a bolt through here, or bend it. Make a nice door handle, or even a drawer handle. Crescent tool. Or I could make it into a bottle opener. I'll become a blacksmith and smash it into something. Just need some little TLC, maybe some JB Weld, and should be good, right? Should be good. JB Weld. That's pretty crusty. Pretty crusty. So that was my, I think I paid like $20 for all this tool haul for the week. Here, put it like here, so I can get a screen capture of it. Does that look better? I should move it up a little. This way, put all this way. That's what I paid. Got. Here's what it is. And hey, what's that in the video? Ta-da! Latest tool haul. I like buying the little vices though. If anybody likes little vices, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you like. I've been collecting all the little vices because these are easy to store than 60-pound monsters. So yeah, that's what I got for this video. If you're new and watch the whole video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell me how you like it. Eventually this winter will be tinkering with these. I'll probably throw them all in at once and do one big cleanup video. So stay tuned, stay happy, and click the like, subscribe, follow. Do me a favor and leave me a comment. That's always awesome. And whether you like the video or not, hey, it's nice to hear from you. Thanks for watching.